Ready to dive into the Solana blockchain without risking a single sol? Let's get you set up with Testnet Solana in your Phantom wallet. Alright, first things first, open your Phantom wallet, find the settings menu, usually accessed by clicking on your profile icon. Once you're in settings, look for an option related to network or developer settings. Inside the settings, you will see a change network button. Select this. You'll be presented with a list of network environments: mainnet, beta, DevNet, and Testnet. Choose Testnet. This will switch your Phantom wallet to the Solana Testnet. Now, to get some tests you'll need to use a Solana Testnet Faucet. Search your browser for Solana Testnet Faucet and select one from your options, and follow the prompts for claiming sol. Typically, this involves pasting your Phantom wallet address into a text box. After a few moments, check your Phantom wallet. Voila! You should now see some test SOL in your balance. Remember, this sol is only for testing purposes and has no real-world value. Now you can use your test SOL to interact with decentralized applications on the Solana Testnet. This allows you to experiment, learn, and build with confidence, all without any financial risk. Now you're ready to go.